everyone.
Wow, I could see bright colors all over. Is there anything special today?
Yeah, we all have gathered here for a special assembly. Privileged to welcome our distinguished Honorable Chairman Sir Dr. Prasad Rao Sir, respected Director Prasanna Ma'am, the dynamic Director of Paramita Group Prashmita Ma'am, his team Principal Ashu Vadva Ma'am, Admirable Vice Principal Balaji Sir, Industrials Coordinator Sirisha Ma'am, caring and passionate teachers and their students. You are unique. You have different specialities and abilities. You don't need to walk on someone else's footsteps. You don't need to do what everyone is doing. You need to always focus on taking the responsibility to inherit the talent you are given and go with it. So now, with this beautiful thought, let's begin our assembly.
Spirituality helps humans to get to know about Christ of salvation. It makes our thoughts so divine and gives us the opportunity to attain higher stage of peace and relaxation. So now I welcome our school choir for the prayer. I request all of you to stand for the prayer.
Jaya Jaya He Bhagavati Surabharati Kavacharanau Pranamamaha. Jaya Jaya He Bhagavati Surabharati Kavacharanau Pranamamaha. Nada Brahma Mai Jaya Vageshwari. Nada Brahma Mai Jaya Vageshwari. Sharanam Te Gacchamaha. Sharanam Te Gacchamaha. Jaya Jaya He Bhagavati Surabharati Kavacharanau Pranamamaha. Tvamasi Saranya Tribhuvana Danya Suramuli Vandita Charana. Tvamasi Saranya Tribhuvana Danya Suramuli Vandita Charana. Navarasa Madhura Kavita Mukara. Navarasa Madhura Kavita Mukara. Smita Ruchi Ruchira Bharana. Smita Ruchi Ruchira Bharana. Jaya Jaya He Bhagavati Surabharati Kavacharanau Pranamamaha. Jaya Jaya He Bhagavati Surabharati Kavacharanau Pranamamaha. Asina Bhava Manasa Hamse. Asina Bhava Manasa Hamse. Kunda Tuhina Sasidavale. Asina Bhava Manasa Hamse. Kunda Tuhina Sasidavale. Harajadatam Kuru Bodhi Vikasham. Harajadatam Guru Bodhi Vikasam. Smita Pankajatanu Vimale. Smita Pankajatanu Vimale. Jaya Jaya He Bhagavati Surabharati Kavacharanau Pranamamaha. Jaya He Bhagavati Surabharati Kavacharanau Pranamamaha. Pranamamaha. Pranamamaha.
Takacham, tadimitakita takacham, takita takatik, kita takatung, kita takanang, kita tum kita taka nang kita taka nam nam kita taka 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 ta ta kita taka kita taka 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 te te kita taka tum kita taka taka nang kita taka nam nam kita taka 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 kita taka tum kita nang kita taka 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 kita taka tum taka 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 tum taka
twins are so interesting when they dress up same and act same each other.
Yeah, even I get confused and astonished many times.
Hey Anya, do you want to get astonished one more time?
Yeah, but how?
Just wait and watch. So let's welcome our friends to the act of twinning competition.
I am the ferocious daughter of Bharat Mata, Jhansi Rani. I was the first woman ruler who fought for independence. I was cornered, attacked, and I was alone. But I'll never let my country down. We women are a divine form of God. We are more powerful and strong beyond your imagination. We are amazing beings of achievement and skill. And because of us, the world is evolving still. We are all these things and a whole world more. We are women. I urge you, all the little girls here. You are the next Jhansi Ki Rani. Be strong, be brave. Never let the fire in you down. Sky is high. Thank you.
रणक्षुद्रगण्डानुनादाभिरामं चलत्ताण्डवो दण्डवत् पद्मतालं लसत्तुण्डिलाङ्गोपरित्यानहारं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे त्वरित्वं सवीणालयो लासिवक्त्रं स्फुरच्चुण्डदण्डोलसत्तीजपूरं गरत्तर्पसौगन्ध्यलोलालिपालं गणाधीशमीशानसूनुं तमीडे
Covishield, he's Covaxin. Wait. I'm Covaxin, he's Covishield. Gap between my dose is 84 days. Mine is 28 days. I'm the greatest vaccine. Stop fighting. Why do you repeat my words? It's not me, it's you who started. Okay. Let's stop fighting and let's save our country first. We request that who didn't took their vaccine, please go and get immediately. Thank you.
मंगलमणि मंगलमणि मंगलमनरे मंगलमणि पाडरे मनगणनाधुनको मंगलमणि मंगलमणि मंगलमनरे मंगलमणि पाडरे मनगणनाधुनको शुभ मंगलमणि पाडरे मनगणनाधुनको ముత్యాలహారతులు ముదితలివ్వరే మూషికవాహనునికి ముచ్చటతోను ముత్యాలహారతులు ముదితలివ్వరే మూషికవాహనునికి ముచ్చటతోను మంగళమణి మంగళమణి మంగళమనరే మంగళమణి పాడరే మనగణనాధునకు జయ మంగళమణి పాడరే మనగణనాధునకు
Welcome to Twinning Store. All we do is twin. Hi guys, I'm Jessie, she's Lassie. No. I'm Lassie, she's Jessie. You were confused, right? I'm a bossy twin. I'm an evil twin. We born together, best twins forever. My twin tell me truth, the whole truth, nothing but truth. Hey Jessie. Yeah, Lassie.
Trippy Mariah. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you trippy Mariah? Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you trippy Mariah? Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you trippy Mariah? Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no Smith and Weston now. But who you testing? Fuck a scantron, here's your lesson. Knife and testing.
Hey Jesse, hey Lassie. Twinning is better than winning. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.
So we have a lot of things that are coming up, and we are so fortunate to have respected Chairman Sir Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu here with us, and also Director Madam Rashmita, Director Madam Prasanna Ma'am, who are here to cheer you up. So first of all, we'll say a very good morning to all of them. Good morning. So we'll start. I'll request Sir to come and give his blessings to us. But before that, there is a child called S. Sangvi who has won Master Keshav Karate Academy first world online e-kata program, and he's got the first prize in it, Yellow Belt Kata. So can we have S. Sangvi here?
Yes, happy morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Great. Respected Prasanna Madam, Director, Rashmita Director, Paramita Group, Ashu, Shirisha, all the beloved teachers, parents and students. First, let me congratulate all of you today on this wonderful day where inter-house competitions are taking place. Already I have had a glimpse of the competitions that are going to come today. Today, already we had a couple of twinning programs. Are really amazing. New concept, two students coming together, enacting, playing that role. Very nice. Also, my congratulations to Sanvi on getting first prize in the international kata competition. Congratulations, Sanvi. Whoever is dressed like a patriot, like an astronaut, like a police officer, like a freedom fighter, whatever you have dressed, if that were to be your dream or goal, suppose you want to become an astronaut or a doctor or a scientist or a teacher, whatever, if you want to become that, then today you have to feel very proud because you are wearing that dress today. It is not simply for a fancy dress competition of a school. When you wear some attire or a costume or a dress, it means that you believe in that. You want to become that. When somebody, like when two police officers came over there, the boys, to invite us, I asked them, they said yes, they wanted to become police officers. So children, remember only one thing. Whatever we think in our mind, again and again and again will happen. If you think good, good will happen. If you think bad, bad will happen. If you think sky, sky will happen. That you can go to any amount of this thing, any amount of growth you can achieve. And if you dream big, you become big. If you dream small, you become small. So it all depends on how you dream, how you see yourself in dress or a costume, and that will allow you or make you work, run, act, think, do to become that. That's the most important thing. So whoever became astronaut in the past, Kalpana Chawla, who is the other person from India? Other person? Kalpana. Rakesh Sharma was the first person. Great. Rakesh Sharma was the first person to go. But two women went. One was Kalpana Chawla. Who was the other name? Sunita Williams. All Indians, right? Even they must have dreamt of going to the space. You tell me, how many of you want to go to the space? Good. How many of you want to become doctors? Engineers? Scientists? Sportspersons? Sportsmen? Great, great. Artists? Artists? Oh, very nice. Farmers? Oh, that is also big nowadays. Businessmen? Oh, big business. Very nice. Lawyers? Ah, you want to argue. Lawyers. Very nice. Excellent. Teachers? Very less, you see. Very, very less teachers. So, very good. Excellent. But I am happy that at least you raised your hand that you want to become this. Excellent. So, when you want to become that, but finally I want to ask you one thing. How many of you want to become, when you grow, good men and good women? How many of you want to become? Please, thank you so much. Very good. How many of you want to become liars when you go up? Liars, telling lies, telling lies. Okay, nobody wants to become. Great. How many of you want to help others when they are in problems? Great, excellent, excellent. How many of you keep praying to God every day? Great, very good. How many of you, when somebody does something wrong to you, you forgive them? Okay, it's all right. How many of you will say? Right, very nice. That is also important. Very good. Keep your hands down. So CBSE children are responding very appropriately. Very nice. And I think all the teachers have trained them very well. I appreciate all the teachers, physical directors, everyone for training the children. Ashu and Shirisha, Rashmita madam, everyone. So children, only one thing. My dream is only for one thing for CBSE. Are you ready for that? Can you make my dream your dream? Can you make parents' dream your dream? Can you make teachers' dream your dream? Can you make your friends' dream your dream? From today, only two, three things. From today, CBSE, nobody will tell a lie. Ever. Nobody will tell a lie. So yes, you should go to Clock Tower, Karimnagar. Are you ready? Very good. Number one. Number two. From today, each boy, each girl in the school, you will pair up, pair up and study. Pinning is there. For study, you pair up. 2 children, 3 children, 4 children. For study, for sports, for dance, for reading, for writing, for discussion. You all come together, share. Are you ready to do that? This is point number 3. When such competitions are there, events are there, I want all the CBSE children to write comparing. You only should write comparing. Can you do that? Can you give, what you call direction to that, how it should be conducted? Can you make seating arrangements? Can you take care of discipline? You want to take care of discipline, or you want the teachers to take care of discipline? You want to take care of discipline? Very, very nice. Finally, do you want to be reminded of the homework by parents and teachers? You want to do on your own? On your own. On your own. And lastly, I request every boy and girl to love your father, to love your mother, to love all the people, your neighbors, your teachers, your friends, nature, birds, everyone. So love everyone, love everything. Is it clear? Okay. Sit straight, sit straight. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now concentrate on the heart part. Where is your heart? Just concentrate. The heart part. Silence. Just 1 minute. Heart part. Just see your heart very, very clearly. Very clearly. Feel your heart. See how your heart is pumping blood. How sweet your heart is. How great your heart is. Look at your heart. It's like honey. Sweet. Enjoy. Feel the love, the rhythm, the beat, the sound, the music of the heart. Enjoy that. And imagine God above you, whatever God you pray, Krishna, Rama, Muhammad, Christ, Guru Nanak, whatever. Imagine that God is there above you, blessing you. And the blessings are coming in kind of like yellow light, entering your head, going to your throat and to the heart, making your heart so bright with yellow light. So bright with yellow light. Feel happy about yourself. Your heart. Feel that you love yourself. Feel you love yourself so much. Love your heart. Love your body. Love your mind. Love all your parents. Love all your teachers, friends, nature, God. Good. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Once again, breathe in. Breathe out. Now you thank your God, all gods, everyone, before you open your eyes. Thank gods, angels, saints and everyone. Thank them. Thank the parents, teachers, school, everyone, and open your eyes slowly. Okay? Good. Very nice. All CBSE boys and girls are very, very good. How do you feel? Better? Well, we can do it again and again later on, but I don't want to take much time. So, thank you, Ashu. Very well done. Rashmita, Shirisha, all the teachers, all the children, enjoy the day. Enjoy the day and appreciate all your friends. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, so much for your kind words. So I'll request Rashmita ma'am to also speak 2 words.
Good morning, Honorable Chairman sir, Ashu madam, Prasanna ma'am, Sirisha, Sucheta, all the teachers. Very good morning to all of you. Very good morning. So I think sir has given the best message. I don't have much to speak. But very happy to see that the entire CBSE team is here, and you are presenting your skills, your talents. It's a very good platform, and the few performances that we have seen, the younger kids, especially first, second and third, after a very long time they're coming onto the stage with this fancy dress, you know. So we have seen this before 1.5, 2 years, and after 2 years we are seeing now. And even the twinning performances that we saw, there was a lot of energy and enthusiasm. So I wish that you know, we stay for some more time and watch all your performances, but due to you know, limitation of time, and there are some other appointments which we need to attend, we will not be here to see the remaining performances, but we have thoroughly enjoyed the performances that happened till now, all the teachers who have guided and supported you. So, and all the organizers of this program who have actually, conceived the program and given this opportunity. So, I would like to thank you for making me part of this program and wish you all the best for your forthcoming performances. Wish you all the best and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your words. So now we will start the program again. And we were really privileged to have Chairman sir and respected director madams here. So we will start again, right? As per all ready now? Great.
Thank you, ma'am, once again for igniting our knowledge. Rules and restrictions are important to reach our desired destination. One must know the values of ethics and take the responsibilities of strengthening the society. So I would like to invite Rahul for the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to animals. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thought. One innovative thought can make a normal person a scholar. Thought can convert a weaker person into a better person. Thought ignites our mind. To give a beautiful thought for the day.
Thought of the day. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. Said by Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you. On the holy day of Guru Nanak's birthday yesterday, may his blessings and wisdom guide you all out of your trouble and lead your life of eternal bliss. May his teachings and reflection guide you full of happiness and prosperities. Happy Guru Purab. So let me call upon Aksa and Samanvita to give you a speech on the occasion and enlighten you with the blessings and wishes of Guru Nanak. Thank you.
सभी को शुभोदय। हर साल कार्तिक मास की पूर्णिमा तिथि को गुरु पूर्व या गुरु नानक जयंती मनाई जाती है। गुरु नानक जी सिखों के प्रथम गुरु थे। सन 1469 को कार्तिक पूर्णिमा के दिन तलवंडी में उनका जन्म हुआ था। इस कारण हर साल कार्तिक मास की पूर्णिमा तिथि को गुरु पूर्व या गुरु नानक जयंती मनाई जाती है। सिख समुदाय के लोगों के लिए यह दिन महत्वपूर्ण होता है। भगवान की भक्ति में उनकी रुचि ज्यादा थी। उन्होंने सिख समुदाय की स्थापना की थी।
सिख समुदाय के पहले गुरु के रूप में गुरु नानक देव जी को जाना जाता था। गुरु नानक देव जी ने ही सिख समुदाय की नींव को स्थापित किया था। गुरु नानक जी को बाबा नानक देव और नानक साहेब के नाम से जाना जाता था। उनके जीवन बहुत सादगीपूर्ण रहा था। वह मूर्ति पूजा में विश्वास नहीं करते थे। आध्यात्मिक विचारों से लोगों की ज्ञान और विचार से प्रभावित किया।
गुरु नानक जी के सिद्धांत।
ईश्वर एक है।
ईश्वर इस संसार के सारे मनुष्य, जीव जंतु, पशु पक्षी सब में है।
सभी लोगों को सच्चे मन और पूरी निष्ठा के साथ भगवान की पूजा करनी चाहिए।
मनुष्य को किसी भी जीव जंतु को परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए।
मनुष्य को जीवन में स्वच्छ और निरोगी रहने के लिए अच्छा खाना खाना चाहिए तथा उनको कभी लालची, लोभी या क्रोधी नहीं बनना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Do you know, Anya, our Paramithans are not only good in academics, but they're amazing in their dancing skills.
Yeah, everyone knows it.
But Anya, I can't wait anymore. I'm so excited to invite our companions for a dance performance.
So what are we waiting for? Let us invite them.
रे मेघा बरसो, मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है कोसा है बारिशों का बोसा है, मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है कोसा है बारिशों का बोसा है। जल 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 थल जल थल जल 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 बहता जल नारे 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 ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा।
ఇంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో, ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము, ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము, ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పలివు నన్ను నమ్ము, ఎటగానే ఎదురు చూకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చదివితే అని దేవుడా దగ్గర నన్ను చేరదీస్తే, బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే, జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మ జంట కట్టుకుంటివే, బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే, జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మ జంట కట్టుకుంటివే.
Now it's a world of fashionable thing. People are desperate to look stylish and fancy. Yes, style matters. Attire matters a lot. Do you know our Paramitans know the fashion as good as Manish Malhotra? Don't you believe my words? So have a look. So let's welcome our Paramitans to the fancy dress competition.
but you're sinking. I don't know the reason, just needed something different. Don't gotta hear what they speaking, no, no, don't gotta take what they giving. Remember the meaning, this old folk song we be singing. I'ma raise my arms high, I'ma touch the skyline, I'ma sing it loud and loud. Let me be free. Padivaal bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborati nalla chadithirum mumbil channu kali kali thodangi angarangari. Padivaal bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborati nalla chadithirum mumbil channu kali kali thodangi. Heartbeat racing, what you feel when your feet hit the pavement. Keep on reaching, hold on to what you believe in. Don't gotta learn what they teaching, no, no, don't believe what they preaching. Remember the meaning, this old folk song we be singing. I'ma raise my arms high, I'ma touch the skyline, I'ma sing it loud and loud. Let me be free. Padivaal bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborati nalla chadithirum mumbil channu kali kali thodangi anganagari. Padivaal bhadra vatakam kailendum tamborati nalla chadithirum mumbil channu kali kali thodangi. Padivaal 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 nagari. Padivaal padivaal വേദാള വാഹനമേറി പോകുന്നു തമ്പുരട്ടി ദാരിക പുരസന്നിധി തന്നിൽ ചെന്നടുക്കുന്നു അങ്ങനങ്ങനെ പോരിക പോരിനു വേഗം അസുരേഷ ദാരികനെ പരമേശ പുത്രിയനകും പത്ര ജ്ഞാനം നോക്കിടാം അങ്ങനങ്ങനെ. പടിവാള ഭദ്ര വടകം കൈലേന്തും തമ്പുരട്ടി നല്ല ചരിത്രം
Hi friends, hi teachers. I'm Soldier Manha. I like soldiers. Jai Jawan, Jai Hind. Thank you. Hello friends, I like strawberry. My name is Avani. I'm joining first class. I like strawberry. I always eat strawberry. Yummy, yummy. I am Sam. I am Dakar. I am Sally Joseph. I'm helpful to you from James. Thank you. My name is Umang Soni. I'm first class. I'm going to class 6.
Children, keep quiet. Everyone.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about
Children, these children have put a lot of effort. I'll request teachers to please come up with your classes. All the teachers, please come close to your classes. Be with your classes, teachers. And children, I will want you to be quiet, otherwise I'll send you back to the class. And I will put your studies time then back. Go and study then if you don't want to see. Absolutely quiet.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about mango. Mango is the national fruit of India, which is loved by everyone. It is a very sweet, juicy and pulpy fruit. Mango is used also in making jams, juice, ice cream and shakes. Mango is the rich sources of vitamins, vitamins and minerals. Mango is recorded as the king of the fruits and comes Thank you. Hi, my name is Muhammad Shujauddin. I am today strawberry. I am today strawberry because this fruit will come winter season. Complete. Good morning, my dear teachers and my dear friends. My name is Rahul. My fancy dress name is Strawberry. And strawberry is rich and heart-shaped fruit. It is used for topping, pies, cakes and pastries. And it is rich in vitamin C. And it has minerals. Samanju. I am a cricketer. In sports, I like Virat Kohli. Thank you.
My name is Dhruvan. I am a clown. I am here for entertain. Anyone can tell what is meaning of shape? There are 2D and 3D. 3D are cone, sphere, cube are 3D shapes. 3D shapes have
Hello friends, my character is Sethi. I'm going to 7
బ్రదర్ ఆపమ్మా. ఈ డిక్ చిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? అబ్బా కడుపు నిండిపోయింది బంగారం. ఎవరి గురించి మాట్లాడదాం? రెడ్డి గారు ఈయన లైఫ్లో స్పైస్ ఉండదు. శేఖర్ సార్ అబ్బో ఇది బాగా ఏ సర్టిఫికెట్ వద్దులే. ఆడు ఇటు వద్దబ్బా, మనం ముచ్చటే చెప్పుకుందాం.
బంటూ గానికి 22 బస్తీల మస్తు కట్అవుట్ బచ్చా గాన్ల బ్యాచ్ ఉండేది వచ్చినమంటే సుట్టు కిక్కే జాలక ఓ నైటు ఎక్కి డొక్కు బుల్లెట్ సందుల మందు కోసం ఎతుకుతాంటే రూటు సిల్కు షీరగట్టుకోని చెడు వీరు మెరిసినట్టు బొట్లం గట్టిన బిర్యానీకి బొట్టు బిల్ల పెట్టినట్టు బంగ్లా మీద నిలుసోనుందిరో ఓ సందమావ సుక్కదాగక చక్కరొచ్చెరో వందమ్మావ చింక లెక్క దుంకుతుంటెరో ఆ సందమావ చుంకి జారి సిక్కుకుందిరో నా దిల్లుకు మావ రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసిందిరో తమ్మల పాకే చేస్తుంటే కమ్మగ వాసన వస్తావే ఎర్రగా పండిన బుక్కలు రెండు యాదికొస్తాయే అర పువ్వుల అంగి వేస్తుంటే గుండె నువ్వై పూస్తావే పండుకున్న గుండెల దూరి గుల్లే చేస్తావే
అర ఇంటి ముందు లైటు మిణుకు మిణుకుమంటే నువ్వు కన్ను కొట్టినట్టు సిగ్గు పుట్టిందే సీర కొంగు తలుపు సాటు సిగ్గుకుంటాంటే నువ్వు లాగినట్టు ఒళ్ళు జల్లుమంటాంటే
నాగస్వరం ఊదుతుంటే నాకు పాముగినట్టు ఎంటావడి వస్తున్నా నీ పట్ట గొలుసు సప్పుడింటూ పట్టనట్టే తిరుగుతున్నవే ఓ సందమావ పక్కకు పోయి తొంగి చూస్తవే ఏంటెక్కురమావా
రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం
Just now we have enjoyed watching fashionable dresses and scintillating style. But I think it's not enough. Dil mange more. So let us invite our friends for another an eye-catching fancy dress competition.
I'm a very good girl, send me your teacher, my dear brother. Anni manji habits, unnanta nallo vinnava mister. I'm a very good girl, send me your teacher, my dear brother. Anni manji habits, unnanta nallo vinnava mister. Brush chesukunte nenu close up to, neelo sukunte nenu lyrics up to, breakfast cheste nenu bread jam to.
I chose this topic because the growing popularity of social media. I'm number 7.
Hi, this is hand wash. I become this character because in this pandemic, people are using me and I am a part of their life. I kill 99.9% germs.
I am playing the role as an astronaut. Astronauts are trained people who travel in spacecraft. Astronauts work in space. They do activities related to human space exploration.
Can you guess who am I? Yes, I am a farmer. I live in a village. I work very hard. I grow every crop and keeps animals. I grow every crop.
Here comes the Annadata, farmer.
Am I? Yeah, very nice. I am a tree. Vrukshanira nenu Vrukshanira Manavalaki prana Bhikshanira. I will give oxygen to the people and I will take carbon dioxide. I am very happy in rainy season but I am very sad in summer season. I choose this character because I want to see each and everyone happy with my fresh air. But nowadays people are cutting me and construction houses. Is it right, children? So, you are the future of the nation. I want your help. Will you? Plant a tree on your birthday and special days. Give protection, then I will protect you. Thank you. Save trees, save earth. Hi everyone. I am sure that you all recognize me. I am the one whom you spend your most of the time, even more than your family members. Yes, I am a smartphone. You are overused of internet and gaming. Not only make your mind blind, but it also take away from your family. But actually, I was invented to keep you and your family connected. If you use me properly and judicially, otherwise, don't say I didn't warn you. Good luck. Hello, I am Malukraj Vishwanath. I am a samurai. I fight with bad people.
Morning everyone, myself is Nakaran. I am from 4th A. Today I am a Kashmiri girl. No, 41. Today I am a Kashmiri girl. I came from Kashmir and I brought colorful flowers. And the famous fruit of Kashmir is apple. Thank you. Hi friends, my name is B. Satvik from 4th A. Today I am a tree. And I want to tell my importance. I am your best friend because I clean the air you all breathe. And I provide oxygen to breathe, food to eat and shelter from sunlight and rainfall. And I provide many other things like cotton, jute, rubber, glue, paper and fruits, etc. And I fight for air pollution, water pollution and prevent soil erosion. So friends, you should all plant a tree and save it. Thank you all. Happy Earth.
Are you ready for? Shall I believe your words? So let's have one more eye-catching performance.
छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज बारिशों की ताल पे ये खनक मेरे धड़कनों की कह रही है झील तू जरा बार बार साथ मेरे सारे अब थिरकने लगे डोले सभी नाचे आसमां मैं तो हवा हूँ हाथ न आऊं मर्जी से अपनी उड़ती ही जाऊं खुद की करूं मैं क्या तारीफ रात ने चुराया मेरा काजल मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल सबसे होके बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 छम
Raindrop bouncing, my heart is announcing you got to take me away. Let's start jumping, my heart goes pumping. I love you in every way. धड़कनों पे बूंद जो गिरी
तो नाचो आज छम 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 मैं नाचो आज छम 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 छम
Have you enjoyed this chum chum chum?
Yeah, I did.
Princess so interesting when they dress up same and act same each other.
Yeah, even I get confused and astonished many times.
Hey Anya, do you want to get astonished one more time?
Yeah, but how?
Just wait and watch. So let's welcome our friends to the act of twinning competition.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Our topic is our dream. I have a dream that is deeply rooted in my heart and brain. A dream that helps me focus on my dream. A dream that never let me sleep. Make your dreams come true with your continuous efforts. Believe in yourself. One day our nation will rise up and live up to its pride. Thank you.
Ma'am, 11.
Hi everyone, welcome to our world, Twinning World. I'm Sneha.
I'm Neha.
Twin life? Fun life. You saw many of the twins, right? But we are not the same. We are like the best twins you have ever seen before.
Like me, right? I've sacrificed everything.
When did you sacrifice?
On the day that chips packet.
It's just a chips packet. I sacrificed you my dress.
Anyway,
we love your
evening job. Oh shit, Mom told to bring shampoo. If I bring shampoo, I can impress Mom and get my favorite food.
We want shampoo.
We want
only one.
I will take it.
No, I will take it.
I will take it.
No, I will take it.
Let's
play rock, paper, scissors. Go home and decide who will take shampoo. Now my customers are waiting. Go, go, go.
Now tell me, are we the best twins?
Yes, we are the best twins.
They are not the best twins. They are the clever twins.
Let's welcome our Paramithans for another act of twinning. I wish all the twins a very good luck.
A cheerful morning to one and all. We twin sisters Sonu Monu. Are you guys thinking being as a twin is an easy job? But it's not.
We being twin is a unique thing, but sometimes
It's a very big task for us. If we go to school, we'll be having many challenges, sometimes more than Avengers.
whatever mischievous things she does come to me.
And whatever she does, it comes to me.
So let us share one of those incidents. So one day in the science lab, sir took us to the science lab and we were so excited to see the equipments. Mostly she was so excited to see the microscope.
In that excitement, I have broke the microscope, the main important and the expensive thing. I have broke it, and by seeing that sir has punished her by thinking me, and she was punished and she was standing out of the class and I was enjoying the class inside.
So whenever you go to any expensive stalls like any exhibitions or any science labs, please be careful, don't break any things like she does. Thank you. We twin sisters
Just signing off. Thank you.
So it happens, right? The punishment shuffles from one person to another one sometime. So here comes our Fatima sisters, right? Come on and bang the dance.
हाय गाइस, मैं ज़ैनब मैं यहाँ इसका पता नहीं, मैं यहाँ आप सबसे मिलने आई हूँ और अपना ग्लैमर दिखाने आई हूँ। चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक पर चटनी चटाई। क्या आप सबको मेरा फेवरेट डिश का नाम पता है? नहीं तो अभी बताते हैं। खीर रोटी बोटी और बिरयानी। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया।
Our teams, and so far we have enjoyed and got amazed with their attire and the performances. Now let's have one more.
Hello everyone, good morning. I'm your favorite anchor Joshita. So here we welcome some of our guests to welcome. Hi. Hi guys.
Hi guys, I am Chinnu and this is Minnu.
What? This is Chinnu and this is Minnu.
I am Chinnu and this is Minnu.
This is Minnu and this is Chinnu. No. I am Chinnu and this is Minnu. Okay, it's a bit weird. I'm going to lose my mind.
What?
Nothing. Audience will know that. And I have a question to you. Why are you both saying the same?
I'm not saying the same thing. And about her, I don't know.
What? Okay,
Okay, audience will know about that, but I can't bear the torture.
Chinu, come, we have to go to the restaurant.
Coming, bye bye. What a relief. My head is heated up. I have to go and find some ice or else my head will be bursted. Bye bye. See you next week. Thank you.
At least you remember your number? Those who have lost that batch? Right? Okay, thank you so much.
Well, actually twinning in the dresses. The others, please, we'll put this there. Yeah. Come in front, please. Others, please just be, sorry. We just want this kind of a picture for this thing. Just for a second. Thank you. Just.
The eye-catching picture is in front of you, children. They are the chinkies and minkies thing.
So the third prize for twinning goes to number 15. 15. House.
Say your
Centenary.
Centenary house.
Give a big round of applause. Centenary. Second prize goes to 12. 12. What's up? Standing here. Again Centenary.
Centenary.
And the first prize goes to number 9. Which house? Centenary Rocks.
It's
Centenary Rocks.
a clean soup here. It's a clean soup.
Open up your heart, what do you feel? Is
number 92, Orlov. Number 92, Orlov. Abdul.
Orlov House, Abdul.
Orlov House, come. Second to number 58, again Orlov House. And number 1 goes to 29, again Orlov House. All of our teachers, please join.
Sexy girl, now me can't get it off. Girl, I couldn't buy that pillow. I'm here when me stepping at the club. Select that on the top in the store. Music a bounce and lyrics by the drums and the high grade send from a boom.
The third prize goes to who? A number which had no number, so I named it 00. That is Tanushri Kohinoor. Next number, second prize goes to 55. I don't know the house and the name of the child. 4 and 5, number 55. Who was that? Come. He was what? What did he become? Achatri. Satrik. House. Orlov. Come on the stage. And the first prize goes to number 41, Orlov. Orlov again. So Orlov and Kohinoor teachers can join. Orlov and Kohinoor teachers.
चल पाता नहीं था। ये पाँव मेरे तो तब भी थिरकते थे जब चलना आता नहीं था। नगमों की मस्ती है
So students, before I wind up, I would like to actually congratulate all the winners and all the participants. It was a great show. We had a great day. All the teachers who had put their effort, all the houses who have won, the presenters here, the photographers here, the PTIs who had worked and made all the setting. But as I said, and not I said, others, Sir suggested, next time the whole program when we do will be organized by you all. So the house in charges, the PTIs, please see that next time everything will be arranged by the students. So there will be duty given. So you all become responsible. So once again, thank you for being a good sports and enjoy your day. Thank you.
Today's assembly is literally has brought a nostalgical memory into everyone's mind. We have witnessed
an extraordinary program today. Our Paramithans have showcased their monumental skills and we felt so glad. After many days, we have experienced one more heart-touching program today. Hey Harni, have you enjoyed the show?
Yes, I have enjoyed the performance given by our Paramithans.
But we are almost at the end of the show and we thank
our Honorable Chairman Sir and Prasanna Ma'am,
our Dynamic Director Rashmita Ma'am,
and all other dignitaries present over here.
Have a
very wonderful sparkling Saturday. Thank you.
पम 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 ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना।